Sports Cards. Ripping another personal box for Chris C. Got a 2021 Illusions Football. Thanks for hopping back in, Chris. Good luck. Here we go. Des Fitzpatrick. We've got, hey, superlatives. Marlon Mack, 22 out of 50. Love these vet autos. Sick hit there. Marlon Mack. And Illusionist Acetate, Josh Jacobs. Mike Allstott. Who'd we get out of your first box, Chris? There's a cool vet out of there. We've got a Najee Harris rookie out of Bowman HTA today. Not yet, Cody. Don't believe so. Tom Brady got to 149. His partner in crime, Gronk. And clear shots, Devontae Adams acetates. I think I've opened like maybe 3 or 4 HTA boxes. Nothing crazy yet out of them, Cody. Kyle Pitts rookie. Tommy Brown rookie. Burrow. Ooh, we have a redemption. We've got clear shots, Saquon Barkley acetate out of 299. Let's see who we got. Good luck, Chris. We've got first impressions, autograph memorabilia, card number 113, Najee Harris. There you go, Chris. My guy, Najee. Nice hit there. Off to a hot start with this second box. Man, this Illusions has been crushing it lately. Patrick Mahomes. Jamar Chase, rookie. Etienne Jr. We've got to 399. Cam Newton. And acetate Mystique rookie, Rashad Bateman. Travis Kelce. Big Palm rookie, Russell Wilson. We've got bronze to 499, Des Fitzpatrick rookie. Filler. And Shining Stars, Justin Herbert red. Nice acetate there. That is out of 149. Nice. Henry, Jalen Darden rookie, Big Ben. We've got Instant Impact, Justin Fields patch. Nice two-colored patch there, Chris. There you go. Justin Fields. That is out of 25. There you go. Nice low number patch. No, not tonight, cardboard. That releases on Friday. So it'll be a Friday break. And King of Cards acetate, Tom Brady. Nice. All right. Kadarius Toney rookie. D-Hop, Javonte Williams. Rookie, Yellow Diamonds out of 249, sorry. Tylan Wallace. And Illusionist acetate rookie, Mac Jones. Dak, Kellen Mond rookie, Miles Sanders. What do we have? Rookie endorsements, 31 out of 99, Mac Jones auto. Boom! There you go. Nice. I will get that magged for you. Very nice Mac Jones. Red ink, too. That's sick. Very nice. Congrats on that, Chris. There you go. Shoebox, this is $439? $449, sorry. So $450. $450 a box. And we got a nice one next. Illusionist acetate. Justin Fields, blue. Nice. That is out of $299. Yeah, no, that doesn't release until the 31st. So that's when we will be ripping it. All right. Devonta Smith, rookie. We've got Big Russ out of 499 bronze. Yeah, the red ink is sick, especially with the Patriots. Like little mini color match too. Shining Stars, Amari Cooper, acetate. And last pack here for you, Chris. Killed this box, man. That's sick. Marlon Mack, Najee Harris RPA, Mac Jones, Fields patch to 25. Oh my gosh. And how about another nice one? Highlight, Justin Herbert patch. My goodness. Chris is on fire. Very nice hit. Not numbered. And last but certainly not least, how about a red color match? Tom Brady, King of Cards. Jeez. Out of 399. Wow, yeah, what a box. The Herbert, yeah, the Najee Harris RPA, Marlon Mack auto to 50, and then the 25 Justin Fields patch, and then the Mac Jones auto to 99. There you go, Chris. Absolutely insane box. Congrats again. Thank you, and we'll get this right out to you.